Under Hindu law, a wife has the right to be maintained by her husband during her lifetime. 1. Maintenance includes food, clothing, housing, education, and medical treatment. 2. Maintenance begins with the marriage and continues throughout the relationship. 3. Maintenance ends when the wife leaves the husband without a justifiable cause or his consent. 4. Maintenance can be claimed even if the couple is living separately. If the husband is cruel, abandoned the wife, or is liable for desertion, bigamy, or leprosy. And 5. Maintenance cannot be claimed if the wife has sexual intercourse with another man or converts to another religion. A wife can claim maintenance by 1. Filing a suit for partition in respect of her husband's estate. 2. Filing for divorce to claim maintenance. And 3. Filing a separate application under Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. The application can be filed in written or oral form in the same court where the original matrimonial case was heard. Other people who can claim maintenance under Hindu law include children, aged parents, and unmarried daughters. Yes, a Hindu wife can claim maintenance from her husband while living separately in certain circumstances. 1. If her husband has abandoned her without a reasonable cause or against her will. 2. If her husband has treated her with cruelty that makes her reasonably fear for her safety. 3. If her husband has another wife or concubine. And 4. If her husband has converted to another religion. A wife cannot claim maintenance if she is unchaste or converts to another religion. The amount of maintenance is determined by several factors, including 1. The position and status of the parties. 2. The claimant's reasonable wants. 3. Whether the claimant is justified in living separately. 4. The value of the claimant's property and income. And 5. The number of people entitled to maintenance. To claim maintenance, a wife can file a separate application under Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. The application can be filed in writing or orally. A Hindu wife can claim maintenance from her husband in a number of circumstances, including 1. Desertion, if the husband has left the wife. 2. Cruelty, if the husband has treated the wife cruelly. 3. Leprosy, if the husband has leprosy. 4. Bigamy, if the husband has another living wife. 5. Concubine, if the husband has a concubine living in the same house as the wife. 6. Conversion, if the husband converts to another religion without the wife's consent. And 7. Other reasonable cause, if there is any other reasonable cause for the wife to live separately. A wife can also claim maintenance if she is a Hindu widow and is unable to support herself. In this case, she can claim maintenance from her father-in-law. A wife cannot claim maintenance if she has sexual intercourse with another man or if she converts to another religion. She also loses her right to maintenance if she remarries after a divorce. A spouse can apply to the court for interim relief under Section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act if they don't have the means to support themselves or pay for litigation costs.